So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to remove duplicate values in Power BI. So we will be working with this employee data set. As you can see, we have columns like first name, last name and city. So if you observe the entry where first name is Louis, last name is Walker and city is Denver is duplicated twice in the first row as well as in the fourth row. And similarly, the entry for Nancy Baker Atlanta is also replicated twice. So how to remove these duplicated values in Power BI? So let's do this. So on the right hand side in the field pane we have the data set over here. Just right click on this, select edit query. So this will redirect us to the Power Query editor. We'll go to home, remove rows and just select remove duplicates. As you can see, our data set become smaller as compared to the previous data set. So in this way we can remove duplicate values. So we'll click on close and apply. So as you can see, we have successfully removed all the duplicated values from this data set. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for upcoming videos.